Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Portronics Bubble. First, make sure your host device, like a computer or tablet, has its Bluetooth turned on and is ready to search for new devices. It's also a good idea to fully charge your Portronics Bubble before you begin, ensuring a smooth first-time setup. Keep your bubble within a range of about 10 meters from your host device for the best connection stability. Now, let's get your Portronics Bubble into pairing mode. Find the power switch, usually on the bottom or side, and simply slide it to turn the device on. Next, locate the small pairing button. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see an LED light begin to flash, indicating that your Portronics Bubble is now discoverable and ready to connect. With your Portronics Bubble in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your host device. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Look for an option to scan for new devices. After a moment, you should see Portronics Bubble appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap or click on Portronics Bubble to complete the pairing process and establish the connection. Once connected, the LED indicator on your Portronics Bubble should stop flashing and display a solid light, confirming a successful pairing. Now, try using your device to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple troubleshooting step is to turn off both your Portronics Bubble and your host device, then turn them back on and repeat the connection process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.